Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working issues on your Discord application. So let's get started right away. The main issue for this problem is that your permissions are not set for microphone. So in order to fix this, first of all open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. From the apps page, scroll down and search for Discord. And when you find it, just tap on it to open up the app settings. Now within the app info page, tap on permissions, and then if you don't see the microphone settings underneath allowed, then this means that your microphone has not been allowed access. Just go ahead and tap on microphone and then select the first option, which will allow use while the application is in use. After setting up the microphone underneath allowed, you can go back to the application and see if this resolves the issue. If it still doesn't work, then check for updates by opening the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then searching for Discord. Once you find Discord, if you see an update button, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on the update button and wait for it to complete, and then when you see the open button once again, you can tap on it and see if this issue is resolved. If it still doesn't work, then one final thing that you can try is to go back to your phone settings and tap on apps once again, and then scroll down and just search for Discord and tap on it. Now tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the application. Then tap on storage and tap on clear data. Now finally tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data, and now if you open up the app, you will be asked to log in once again. But now your issue will be resolved and you will be able to use your microphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix your microphone not working issues on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.